Big boy. Mwah, 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 mwah. Hi, my big boy. So today, I'm gonna be showing Zaza how Dad is gonna be brushing his hair. So first, when I grab you, it's gonna be good. You know, no, just come on.
You're just so handsome. Yes, you are. The baby.
I'm back. Look at you, handsome. I've been meaning to get something off my chest. Oh my gosh, I've been meaning to say this forever. On the pad. It looks nervous.
Is that mom? Look at